Good day everyone, mga kapongers, mga ka-alright. Today is the day 25 of our daily message. Before we begin, I would like to say something important. I would like to sincerely apologize to everyone who has been adding me on Facebook. But I am able to accept your request as I have already reached the maximum limit. I truly appreciate your support. For now, I kindly invite you to follow my account instead of all my posts as set to public view. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-unawa at patuloy na suporta. Thank you so much. I would also like to give a few shout-outs. Shout out to Meralco Table Tennis Team. Yun. From natutulog ng agila ng Taytay, Ka-Odi Cruz. Alam ko na gising to last time eh. And also I want to shout out One Ping Pong Academy in Dasmariñas, Tanza, Cavite. OPA, led by Dan and Idol Chet Gutierrez. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta at patuloy na pag-promote ng ating beloved store. Nakakatuwa makita na parami ng parami ang mga clubs and communities na aktibong nagpapalago ng table tennis sa iba't ibang lugar. Yun, the best talaga. Before we continue, I would like to make a short announcement. In observance of Holy Thursday and Good Friday, our venue Ayala Mall, Manila Bay, home court, will be closed for the meantime. We encourage everyone to take this time to reset, to rest, reflect, and spend time with loved ones and with God. Regular operations will resume after. Thank you and God bless everyone. Now, let me share today's message. Today, I want to talk about something very important. It is the discipline outside training. Yun. Maraming players akala nila sapat nang mag-training lang. But here is the truth.